for joining us today. We're glad you're here and would love the opportunity to visit with you if you have any questions about what's happening here at Republic Assembly.
Make sure to come out to our 5th Sunday Olympics, June 29th. There will be tons of games for both adults and children. Hot dogs and hamburgers will be provided. Please sign up for your team at the Info Center or in the bulletin.
Join us Saturday, July 26th from 10 to 4 p.m. for the Republic Assembly Car Show. All proceeds from the event go to our Republic Assembly Youth Fund. If you would like to know more information about Republic Assembly, please check out our website at republicag.com.
Please pray for our missionary, Barbara Klein, Austria.